If your Samsung air conditioner suddenly shows a C4 error code, don't worry. I'll guide you through several safe checks you can try before calling for service. The first step is confirming that the display is actually showing the C4 error code and not another similar warning. Many temporary AC errors can sometimes disappear after performing a simple power reset. Turn the air conditioner off completely using the remote before disconnecting the power source. After switching it off, disconnect the power safely if your installation allows it. Leave the unit powered off for about 5 minutes so the electronics can fully reset. Once the waiting period is over, reconnect the power and turn the air conditioner back on. Check the display again to see whether the C4 code has cleared. If the error remains, inspect the indoor air filters because restricted airflow can sometimes affect system performance. Carefully remove the filters according to your Samsung AC instructions. Wash reusable filters gently with clean water and allow them to dry completely before reinstalling them. Never reinstall wet filters because moisture may reduce airflow and performance. After cleaning, place the filters back into the indoor unit correctly. Also check that the air outlet and intake vents are free from dust or obstructions. If your system has an outdoor condenser, make sure leaves or debris are not blocking airflow around it. Good airflow helps the air conditioner operate more efficiently. Look for any obvious signs of damage, loose covers, or visible wiring issues without opening sealed electrical parts. If everything looks normal, restart the air conditioner again. Watch the display closely during startup to see if the error returns immediately. If the unit begins cooling normally, continue monitoring it over the next several hours. Sometimes the error may not return after a successful reset and cleaning. However, if the C4 error appears repeatedly, the problem may require professional diagnosis. I hope these steps help you better understand the Samsung AC C4 error. If this guide was useful, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more simple home appliance tutorials.